when you look at the sciatic nerve, you got your actual L5, your L4, you got your S1, your S2, your S3, and your S4. All right, well, if you look at these things actually form what you would call a nerve branch. The nerve branch then go through the pelvis floor, and it goes through a muscle through your thigh, and it goes down your leg. The sciatic nerve is about 2 millimeters wide, so it's a pretty thick actual nerve that's in the body. Usually what happens is these discs starts to wear out and it becomes a bulging disc. And what happens is when these discs wear out due to acidosis and very stagnant dehydration, it starts clamping on the disc. The bones will pinch the disc. Well, usually when the bones pinch the disc, it will actually pinch one of these nerves. Since S1 and S4 branches itself into a branch and create the sciatic nerve, usually it's either pinched in this area, or it get pinched by an inflamed pelvis, or it get pinched by the actual muscle that's in the thigh, and this causes a excruciating shooting pain through your legs. Sometimes it can go through your arms. It can be numbness in your fingertips. You can feel this everywhere throughout your body because this is a main nerve, and it's actually connected to the vagus nerve too, if we want to be honest, which is the 10th cranial nerve that's in your brain. So in order for you to really fix this disease, you're gonna have to bring hydration actually to the spinal column. And the best way to bring hydration to the spinal column is by hydrating the cells. Even though that these are hard calcium matrix, or what we call bones, bones are still made of cells. Your whole entire body is made of cells. You have different types of cells depending on the environment and cultural medium, or the gene expressions that makes up a nose cell, a ear cell, an eye cell, depending on where they at in the cultural medium. So if these are nothing but cells, and we know that cells need water, H3O to be exact, from H3O2 or H2O, it don't matter, then you need to hydrate the body. You need to bring more electrolytes in the body. Also, we dealing with the bone calcium matrix too. So what deals with the bone calcium matrix is something called calcitonin, and calcitonin is actually made by the parathyroid. So we need to go after the parathyroid as well. You can do natural things like rebounding that will help you move the lymph. You can do things like jump roping that'll help you move the lymph, move your lymphatic system. Another thing is called skin brushing towards the kidneys, not towards the heart. That'll help you move your lymphatic system. Get in the shower, let it be warm for 5 minutes, and then the last 2 minutes before you get out, turn it completely cold. That'll help you move the lymphatic system as well. There's another thing called the low hanging head method, where you will get on the bed or get on the table, and you will literally put your head at the end of the table, and you will lean your head all the way back and stretch your neck. And as you stretch your neck, you will lift your arms up, and then you'll bring your arms down and bring your head up. This will actually take a lot of pressure off the spinal column and maybe move the L5 and the L4 to get that disc to breathe again. You see what I'm saying? And another thing with the sciatic nerve, you can do a heel toe method. Google these things. These things will pop straight up, and you can go to YouTube University. They show you this stuff on YouTube for free. And this is not even mentioning the herbs. Now, if you want to get into herbs, I would say get into things like turmeric, curcumin, boswellia. That's another good herb. Enzymes from the papaya, what you would call bromelium. These are all good things that will help grow the bone back. These are things that will help regulate the nerves. For the nerves, you got blue vervain. Blue vervain is very good for the nerves. Ashwagandha is very good for the nerves and the autonomic nervous system, of what we call the adrenal gland. Bugleweed. Bugleweed is very good for the nerves. Lily of the valley herb. Stay away from dairy products. Lactic acid. Stay away from meats. Uric acid, carbonic acid, and that come from your grains, carbonic acid. We have to stay away from high carbohydrated foods, and I'm not talking about natural fruits and vegetables. I'm talking about high yielding grains like rice, like spelt, and all that other nasty crap that's in your body. These things will bring on a mucosal response and will completely black up the GOAT. And remember, GOAT stands for gut associated lymphatic tissue. So if I was you, by so far, if you asking me what you need, you gonna need the actual geogenetic therapeutic package from off the site. So y'all gonna love our new charts that's on our document download. We redid all the charts. Everything is back up, family. All right, I love y'all. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. Peace.